Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix the issue with the JBL Boombox 2 that is not turning off. And it's like there are two things that you can do. The first thing that I encourage you to do is let it dry out completely. Don't charge, don't anything, just let it dry out, and then it should possibly help you solve this issue by itself, that you don't have to do anything. Or the second thing that you can do is that turn it on. And when you're going to turn it on and have it turned on, you want to press and hold the plus button and the play button at the same time. You just want to press and hold it for at least 10 to 15 seconds. So try it out. You're going to power it on, and then you're just going to press the power button and play button at the same time, and you're just going to hold it. And in this way, you should be able to reset it. And that's pretty much it. So, but the first way is going to, I think, fix the issue if you're just going to let it dry out completely. Just don't put it on charge, let it dry out, and then leave it for like 2-3 hours. It's going to be dried, and then use it again. So this is something that I would recommend to do. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.